Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Jeep Grand Cherokee cabin air filter. Maintaining a clean cabin air filter is vital for breathing fresh air inside your vehicle and ensuring your heating and air conditioning system operates efficiently. You will need just a few basic tools, primarily a small screwdriver and, of course, your new replacement filter. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your driving experience and overall vehicle health. To begin, open your glove box and clear out any items inside. Next, locate the small dampener arm on the right side of the glove box and carefully unclip it. This arm controls the glove box's smooth opening. Once detached, gently push in on the outer edges of the glove box to release its retaining tabs. This action allows the glove box to swing down completely, revealing the cabin air filter housing behind it. With the glove box lowered, you will see the cabin air filter housing. There are typically two small clips or tabs holding its cover in place. Unclip these. Now, carefully slide the old filter straight out. Pay close attention to the airflow arrow printed on the old filter, as this indicates the correct orientation. Your new filter will also have an arrow. Ensure it points in the same direction as the old one when you slide it into the housing. After the new filter is securely in place, reattach the housing cover and snap its clips shut. Next, align the glove box's lower stops with their respective slots and gently push it upward until it clicks into position. Finally, reattach the dampener arm to the right side of the glove box. You have successfully replaced your cabin air filter. This simple task, recommended every 12,000 miles or annually, ensures a healthier and more comfortable cabin environment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.